Hi, Farhan.
Hi, this is Priyanka from Raghav Behl's The Quint. My question is, in your film Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, there was a character which is very brand conscious. Are you also very brand conscious in life? Do you pick up brands to wear, or do you just go with effortlessly cool?
Well, I think anyone who enjoys wearing clothes will tell you that the first important thing is to feel comfortable in what you wear. Of course, there are certain brands, as there are in any other field of life, so be it in film, in music, in your way. Like this man has just come. Sir, thoda set ho jayenge. Thank you. So be it in sport. There are certain brand people in terms of who represent that industry to you or represent that sport to you. And you always expect them to perform well, and you always expect them to give you something that would be a cut above what everybody else has to offer. So that does exist. And to that extent, yes, of course, when you travel or when you're looking for something, there will be those first 3-4 names that you will browse or that you will search, because you will somehow feel inside you that you'll end up finding what you're looking for there. So that does happen. That's a part of life, I guess.
Hi, Farhan.
Lifestyle code, is there a code that you live by in life? Like 1 or 2 examples if you can give.
Well, there's a couple of things. I genuinely feel fitness is very important. And by fitness, I don't mean only physical fitness, because I just feel mental fitness, which comes from reading a lot, for example, or spiritual fitness, if you want to call it, which comes from traveling, which comes from experiencing new things. All of it is equally as important. So keeping yourself fit, keeping your heart open, because the world is constantly changing. So not to always feel that, you've arrived at a point where you know everything that needs to be known about everything, or about even a specific thing, because even that will change. So, for me, that evolution, change, is also a part of some kind of code that I live by, that to always try and kind of stay in touch, with what's evolving and what's changing.
Hi, Farhan. फरहान, पिछले कुछ सालों में काफ़ी कुछ बदला है. आप डायरेक्टर से एक्टर बन गए, प्रोड्यूसर बन गए. तो आपको लगता है पहले जब आप किसी को स्टाइल देते थे और आज लोग आपको स्टाइल देते हैं, कितना डिफरेंस आया है और किस चीज़ में सबसे ज़्यादा आप ध्यान देते हैं? और आपकी नज़र में कौन सबसे ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश है हमारे बॉलीवुड में?
पहला सवाल क्या था आपका?
आप पहले डायरेक्टर थे, फिर एक्टर, देन दैट इज व्हाट.
हाँ, this question you ask me every time you meet me. Yeah. Okay, how do I used to dress others, now how do I feel being dressed? That's the question. I feel great here. As long as I'm wearing these wonderful clothes, why should I not feel good?
फरहान, आपके जो दोस्त हैं इंडस्ट्री में, कलीग्स हैं, किसकी स्टाइल आपको सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है, एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस दोनों, अगर आप नाम लेना चाहें?
मतलब बहुत से लोग हैं जो बहुत I find very stylish. I've always, from the time that I've worked with him, I've always told him that I've found Saif's sense of style very good. Shah Rukh, I think, has a great personal sense of style. Deepika has a great personal sense of style. Priyanka has a great sense of style. Sonam has a great sense of style. So there's many people, and everyone has their own individual style. It's what you think you kind of like more than others. So in my taste and in my opinion, these are the people whose style I like.
Hi, Farhan. Looking very smarter, slimmer, fitter, actually.
Thank you very much.
Bhaag ke baad,
so are you, but I can only see you till here.
Yeah, okay. Have you maintained yourself like you were supposed to do this particular ad? That is why also it's very difficult to maintain. In fact, right from the time Bhaag Milka Bhaag se lekar abhi tak, और हमने अगर स्टाइल की बात करते हैं तो यू आर वेरी कैजुअल विथ योर क्लोथ्स एक्चुअली, तो यू फील लाइक यू आर वेरी मोर कंफर्टेबल इन योर कैजुअल थिंग्स, और फॉर्मल्स में ज़्यादा दिखाई नहीं देते.
नहीं, I just answered this actually. For a long time, like I was telling you, most of my friends used to almost make fun of me कि no matter what the event is, तुम अपने वो kids पहन के पहुंच जाते हो. So after some introspection, I thought maybe even I should invest a little more energy and time into trying to feel better about how I look. But I think more than that, in terms of the way I look or the fitness that you're talking about, I've already answered, I think, this question, that I think it's important to stay fit. And in all honesty, fitness is not Truly, it's not about like the 6-pack abs or the 8-pack abs. It's not really about that. It's truly feeling fit in your mind. Exercise, of course, is important because then you look a certain way. But then what you see is really just the physical manifestation of that fitness. You know, I mean, there's a lot more that comes with it, that can't be seen, that then comes into your work, into your interactions with people, into your energy when you're writing or you're doing anything. So it affects everything. And I'm very, I'm fond of feeling this way. And if I don't get a chance to do however little in a day of some kind of a fitness activity, I feel like my day is not going as well as I'd hoped. Yes.
Well, thank you, Kabir and Farhan. I'm sorry, but before we pop into more questions, we can have for the photo op, please, if you would request, yeah? Okay, we public demand. One last question.
Why will I call my brand FK?
All right, thank you so much. I think, sir, thank you so much. Farhan, Kabir, please, for the photo op.